We're going like south. We're going like south, but like we're going southwest.
Oh, hey, look at this. That's a good example. That little fly, it's really a fly. It disguises itself as
a bee
or a yellow jacket. And where'd it go?
Because it usually gets eaten by other animals.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a
so strange.
It camouflages itself as a yellow jacket or a bee or something, so other predators won't mess with it. Because that predator already got stung, then it's gonna be scared of that. So let's get moving.
Yes, good.
I don't really feel like it, but hey, your hat.
Oh yeah. Thanks for warning me.
All right, that was a nice little break.
Yeah. So you wish we could have stops like that all the time?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
Be careful. Be careful.
That will break. Yeah, be careful for that. This is gonna be a hard drop right here.
And watch out for the pipe. You never know what's in it. That coming?
Yep, that's the hard part about our place. There's a pipe. That means civilization. That means I'm stuck, man. That means wait, we can use this. Look at that holding me. We can use that as some kind of rope. Think? Oh, yeah, let's use that. All right, let's keep moving.
Hey.
Yeah. We have to keep on moving for that pipe right there.
It can explode.
Yeah, it's a gas pipe.
That's one thing that is scary. Some scary things about nature.
Never know what's gonna happen. Hang on. Can you hold this and look away? I'm gonna go pee.
Why if I filmed it?
No. I'll cut it out. You can just tell them about whatever.
Well.
Alright.
Here you go.
Alright.
I didn't film it. I show you.
That spider right there with the circle nest. You can't see it, but if I put my hand behind it, it's right there. You could probably eat those, but we used to have a garden spider or house on my back porch. It died. I don't know what happened. I think a third tiger got it a few days ago, and it was a big garden spider. It got big over the past few days.
That was sad. That was sad.
This is gonna be a very hard mountain to climb up.
Just wondering, you coming up here?
Yeah.
I'll hand you the camera.
I got it, man. I got it.
Here. Oh!
I got it now, man. Trust me. You know, there's a... Oh,
whoa.
Holy crap. At the last second, I slipped. Hey, I heard that dog. Did you hear that? Yeah. Dude. Hey, look at that. I think I see a house there.
Yeah, I see him too.
But we can't get back there. It's barbed wire.
Alright.
We can follow the river.
I'm a little afraid of that.
Down.
My kid.
Downstream isn't always the baddest. Upstream, you can get out.
Upstream is like super hard to
We never even used that little cable. You know, the swing or...
Yeah.
We should use it sometime.
We could use it another day. Yes, this is in a good spot.
Yeah. Too much things breaking.
You can actually make tracks out of that.
Yeah. Right now, I'm not hungry because I Coke.
You can go.
Alright, I got it. Oh, snap.
One of the best things you have to do if you have a partner with you is be nice to them. Unless they'll betray you and you may not know all the skills they have.
And, yeah.
You'll probably die.
And they'll probably want to split up with you.
And they might die too.
It's always best to stick together.
Well, unless you find food, or you find water, and you know exactly where you're going.
It's been a very big journey. Looks like water, when it rains, it runs right into the here. I wonder where this river is coming from. Watch out for that gas line.
Ah! Get briars!
Watch out where you step the gas line.
True. I'm just in pain right now. Alright. Good thing I have this bag, right? Push away all the water. Let's take one back.
You can actually put your hat in front of you and just push away. Like.
True.
Ow, man, those things hurt.
I know.
They look pretty fat, but they are no joke. Gosh, that got my finger right when I grabbed on.
I'm warning you, be careful. Try not to fall. That gets into you, you're going to be screaming out curse words and I have to cut that all out.
No, I was kidding. Hey.
Just saying, this is really deep.
This postman.
This is like almost a feet deep.
Actually, it is.
You never know. Might be 1 inch or something. Almost a foot.
And we gotta watch out for snakes. You never know. Water moccasins, anything could be here.
Alright, which way are we going? Go this way.
Alright. The water pretty much not ended, but all those.
Well, it'll just be like, it'll be super hard.
And it's super hard right now. With these sticker, push, ow!
And you can hear all these wild.
You can hear somebody talking. It sounds like, and holy crap, that hurt. It looks like a kind of a trail we're following.
In this video, there was basically no trail.
Well, right now there is a trail. Hey, look at that. Try to find the end. Oh yeah, that got struck. I don't think that got pushed down.
See,
hey,
push?
A fence. Right there. Dude, I think we're close. We can't go that way because there's sticker bushes. Oh.
I trust this car because I see it.
What does it looks like?
You finally made it too.
Hey, this house is today been an epic, very, very hard journey.
I would try this at home, kids.
Never forget that.
We'll never forget this.
Stay.
Because of our legs. This leg got hit the worst.
Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks, bye.